estate investing course that will calm all of your real estate worries.
This course would save you time, money, and stress.
And most importantly, help you gain more money.
Sign up for our real estate investing course at secretsofrealestate.net.
Well, I started at 17. That was like my very first property. School wasn't for me.
We don't believe in paying rent.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Secrets of Real Estate.
Today we're going to talk to Marshall and find out what's been going on with her all these years.
What? Talking about me?
Yeah, she don't know anything about this. I'm springing this on her. Okay, so basically, tell me what made you want to get into real estate?
I really didn't want to get into real estate. I think you kind of like always pushed me into it. And it was a good thing because when I was in college at Georgia State, I wanted to, I had this big dream that I wanted to own my own nurse practitioner, like my own practice. And I wanted to be a nurse practitioner. So I was going to go to school. I was in pre-med at Georgia State. And then I learned very quickly that, school wasn't for me. So I was just like, man, we got to rethink this. I thought it was just a lot more better for me to just go take, study for like 2 months, go take a test, and then I'm making money right away. So I just kind of woke up one day and I was like, all right, I'm going to do this. And then one of my friends, she called me. She was like, hey, come work at the model home for a builder. You're going to make a lot of money. So I was like, really? Okay, I want to make a lot of money. So I did it. So that's what made me like really start doing it. It was mainly because of you, You pushed me to do that.
Right. What did you like most about doing real estate? Like, what do you like most?
I think the most thing that I liked about real estate was the fact that I could educate people. A lot of people didn't know that they could even buy a house, when I first started. So I helped a lot of people that was like older than me, and people that was my age. Like they didn't know that they can buy a home because they felt like they had bad credit. And just to be able to like see people get into their house and they don't have to, be throwing away their money, just helping people do that. That was a lot for me. I always like to help people. And then when I learned how to invest, I found that you can help people doing that too. So, a lot of people wanted to learn how to make money investing. So I would learn from my mom along the way, and then, I would help other people.
Yep. So if you guys want to learn how to do real estate investing, so go ahead to our website and sign up for our course,
secretsofrealestate.net. So you can just go ahead and click the link in the description box. It's going to be labeled as How to Invest in a Real Estate Course.
So what age did you start buying properties?
Well, I started at 17. That was like my very first property. My parents, they helped me get my first property. Together, they both helped me. And I didn't know at the time. I I was just like, I need somewhere to stay. So help me, parents.
So we don't believe in paying rent.
Yeah.
And she was paying rent somewhere and it's like, listen, we need to cut this rent thing out.
It was really quick. It was like a couple months I was paying rent.
And then I was just like, we got to get you out of this rental thing. And, because a lot of kids at Georgia State was like, we want
our own
place or at the dorm.
Yeah, the commons or the dorm.
To pay rent and stuff like that. And little did they know they were paying more rent at a dorm than buying a property. Like it was costing them way more money.
Yeah.
So when she came home and said, listen, I want to live in a dorm, I was like, how much is that? And then I said, oh no. And then she's like, no, you don't know what's going on. You don't know the dorm and how it goes. And I said, no, I don't know the dorm how it goes. But I do know money. And we're not going to do money like that.
Right. Because they was making a killing.
They were making thousands of dollars per month off of one
kid.
And that was sharing a room with someone else. And I said, no way. You can get a whole apartment for that much.
Right.
By yourself. So anyway, we went ahead and her dad and me put together, and she had some money too. And we all put together and put our money together, and we got a place.
We got a condo.
Yeah.
So yeah, I stayed in the condo when I was in college.
Yeah. And that was your first property.
Yeah, so that was my first property. That's how it all got started. And ever since then, every time I moved, I wouldn't sell it. I would put a tenant in there, buy a new place. Move, put a tenant in that one, buy a new place. So that's how I started real estate investing. I started like that. Some people just jump out there and just,
Well, in the process too, in the meantime, we did flip properties together.
Right. Yeah.
We did some flips. Actually real flips, like just buy and just did a little minimum stuff and flip it right back.
Right. Minimum renovations and then just sold it right back.
Mm-hmm.
That's how you make some fast money.
Yeah, we needed fast money.
What made you... Nah, I'm not going to say that question. Oh, why did you decide that, hey, what moment was it for you to just say, hey, I want to take this real estate journey to like the next level and become a broker?
Oh, I actually was working for a broker for about 3 years, 2 years. No, it was 2 years, and I went out and got my associate broker license and was still working for that broker. And I got an award one year to be the top agent in the firm, and it was 100 agents there. And when I got the award, I had no idea I was doing that well. And
you're just selling.
Yeah, I was just focusing on, I need to get some money. I was just getting to land. I was like, I need to get some money. So
you never told me that.
I didn't care about
the top.
I didn't care about that. I wanted to get money. That was my goal. And it so happened that I was the top agent, the top selling agent in the firm. And then I came to the broker and I said, listen, I need to start my own team. I need assistance. I want to take this to the next level of making money. I need a team behind me. And he told me that for each person on my team, I had to pay a flat fee every month. And I added up the fees that I would have to pay this broker, and it dawned on me that by the time I spend all these fees, I could have my own brokerage.
Right.
I can become the broker. So, and I could just hire agents under me. So that's what made me go ahead and become a broker.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because I already had the brokerage license, I just didn't have the firm. So that was it.
Well, I learned something today. I feel like we learn things about each other all the time, like even going through this and doing these videos and things like that. So, guys, if you guys want us to record any videos, topic of your choice, comment below, like,
subscribe.
Yes! All right, guys, thank you for watching. See you later.